Welcome to our new app SupaElements. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the installation and initial setup of our application, designed to create dynamic and interactive elements in your Shopify checkout to make your customer experience unique. First, locate SupaElements in the Shopify App Store or visit the application's product page directly using the link in the description. Click Install to integrate SupaElements seamlessly into your store. Upon opening the application, you'll encounter a welcome window offering a brief introduction to our core functionalities. You can click Next for a detailed overview or skip to proceed directly to the main dashboard. To unlock the full potential of SupaElements, a subscription is required. Navigate to the billing page to choose between our premium or advanced plan. Remember, the advanced plan is your gateway to creating dynamic checkout elements. Regardless of your choice, a complimentary 7-day free trial will activate, granting you immediate access to your selected plan's features. The dashboard is your command center. Here on the center, you'll find two key sections: branding for checkout styling and checkout elements for creating unique elements. Please note that creating static or dynamic checkout elements and customizing the checkout's appearance through the branding section requires a Shopify Plus subscription. The side menu provides easy access to your created elements, customizations, and support resources. The Elements section displays a list of your created elements and their status. You can also activate or disable any elements with these buttons here, or you can delete just clicking on the trash bin here. From here, you can create new elements directly from this button here on the top right of the section. The branding section allows immediate access to customization parameters. In the main body of the page, you have two sections. The one on the left is your menu section, and on the right, there is your control panel where you can adjust your customization. On the top, you will find shortcuts buttons to make your customization easy to manage. You can also import or export the configuration and transfer it to another store. If you will need assistance or you want more info about a specific function or checkout tutorial, you can access quickly by the link here on the bottom of this page. As you can see, you will have access to all our video tutorial, articles, and FAQ. Should you require further assistance? No problem. The support section connects you with our team via email or live chat with this button, Start Conversation. Now the only thing left to do is to jump into the app and start creating your SupaElements for your customer and personalizing your checkout as you prefer. As a special launch offer, we are offering a limited time promotion, available in the link in the description. We're excited to see what you create.